Hello, everybody. Once again, this is Brian, aka Mr. Mango Head, coming to you, um, representing ATL PC Masters. Um, Tonight, I'm going to talk to you guys about Open Office. I did a previous video on Open Office. Well, not on Open Office specifically. I did a video on the night and I talked about Open Office, but I wanted to talk to you guys about Open Office and what I think is a nice companion to Open Office because I used to use Microsoft Office, and what I liked about Microsoft Office was Outlook. And I said to myself, well, I don't want to switch to something else, but I did. Open Office is a free alternative to Microsoft Office, but it does not have Outlook built in. So I was like, well, what did I do about that? So, in addition to Open Office, we're going to talk about Mozilla Thunderbird, the creators of Firefox. The browser also has a email, what do you call it? I guess an email client, I guess. But it's just like Outlook, but it's not Microsoft. And I think, nothing against Microsoft, but I believe that we need to find alternatives as much as possible to Microsoft. And so let me show you Open Office. So I'm going to go to my Start menu, and I'm going to click All Programs. There it is, Open Office, and I'm going to click that. Okay, that's a something else that I had up, but I want to go to the. Let me close that for a second. I want you to see how it looks when you open it. You open it from the Start menu. Open Office, Open Office, Open Office, Open. I already had it open. I didn't realize that. Where is it again? Open Office. There it is. Boom. There it is. All right. So this is what Open Office looks like when you open it up. And you'll see it has text document, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, database, formula, and templates, and some other buttons down at the bottom. Click, got the open right there. Now, since I've been aware of Open Office, I've seen Apache at the title. I see Sun Microsystem at the title, and I've seen Oracle at the title. I don't know if I know this is open source, so I don't know if they just take turns and here, you get to make it for a while. Here, you get to make it for a while. I don't know if that's how they operate, but I'm just going to download my update 4.1 full installation. All right, get that out the way. But so I'm going to click text document and tell what you see. This is what you see. It does not look like the latest version of Microsoft Office, but so what? You can create a text document here. You can create your resumes. You can do all this here. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. Actually, no, I'm not going to close it. I'm going to hit New. I'm going to click Spreadsheets. This is what spreadsheets look like. I'm not familiar with spreadsheets in Excel. I didn't pay too much attention in that course in high school and college where you had to learn Office. So, but I'm pretty certain formulas work. You do the same stuff you do in Microsoft Office. And so I'm just going to go down to presentation. Now, I've made my fair share of PowerPoint presentations. Now you got the option here from a template, open up an existing presentation. I'm just going to, this is the wizard, so I'm going to do from empty presentation. I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to hit blue border, lines and gradient, and then I'm gonna hit next, and then effects, wheel clockwise spokes, speed, fast, create, boom. I don't know about you guys, but this looks a lot like PowerPoint to me. And you got your options on the side. You know how you want to do your layout, what you want to put in there. And I personally think it's awesome. Here's the thing, though. A lot of schools, you got to turn in your work. Microsoft Office. You got to turn in your work, or your teacher can't grade it, or your teacher can't, you got to submit your work. This is why I love Open Office. So, at BNC Computers, where I work, whenever I reload someone's computers, I can't put Microsoft Office on their computer because legal reasons, unless they purchased it or had it and they have their original packaging and their original key code, then I can install it. But if they don't, I put this on there. It's a free application. It's open source. But what I make sure I do, and the reason why I put it on there and not tell them, oh, you can just go to openoffice.org and download it. And this is the website you can go to, openoffice.org. I'm going to put that in the description. But here's the most important thing you do after you install it. You go to Tools, you go to Options, and right here, Tools, Options, you're going to go to Load, Save, General. Load, Save, General. And when you go down to Document Type, you choose Text Document. Always save as. This is the key phrase for me. Always save as. And I go find Microsoft Word. Boom. It has spreadsheets. Same thing with Excel. Presentation. Same thing. Boom. Now, let's say someone sends you an actual Microsoft file format. Guess what? Open Office is like, what? I can open that. I can handle that. That's no big deal. It's done. So you don't have to worry about file format compatibility issues when you're sitting back and forth. Now, I will say this. If there's a font that one of you guys have and the other doesn't, yeah, you're going to have that font issue. But with Open Office, there's a community that goes along with it, so you can get templates when you do go to openoffice.org. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to go to openoffice.org. All right. So this is what openoffice.org looks like. They're celebrating 100 million downloads. So you can learn more. You can download it here. Do more Open Office. Where's the template stuff at? Download, extended, focus area, blogs. Who reads blogs? Somebody read blogs. That's down. Open Office. I'm just going to type templates up here. Oh, presentation templates, openoffice.org. I didn't realize this was a Google search, but that's what they did. So, plain templates. Presentation templates that are plain, gradient fills. Let's get gradient fills. All right, sample. Okay, cool. There's samples. So you can download them here. I get it. Sample templates, document sample templates, users, home. Those documents. That was crazy. Didn't see no documents. Anyway, we go back to where I was. Home, documentation, sample templates. All right. Gallery, clip art. Ooh, basic resume. Okay, this is where I was trying to go when I did that search. Here's the you can scroll and look at your different templates for different document types, and you can search Okay, templates.openoffice.org is where you go. Get your templates. You can upload templates. Some people they have the gift to make templates. I'm not one of those people, so openoffice.org, free application. Free yourself from Microsoft Office 365. Free yourself from taking your computer to some random person who loads Office on your computer, but when you finally take it to a legitimate person, they can't reload it. No, I don't have Office in school starting, and I don't want to pay the money, but I got to have it. Free yourself from all of that. Download openoffice.org. Download openoffice.org. It's not called openoffice.org. Download OpenOffice. And openoffice.org is the website where you can get it. And I hope this video has been of help to you. If it has, please like it, make a comment, subscribe. There'll be more informational type videos to come. I'm doing some on Windows 8. I'm doing some on making home networks, building computers, repairing computers. This is the computer channel. Now, for those who are interested in gaming, I have another channel that I'd love for you to stop by and visit. It's called, it's a YouTube channel. I'm gonna put a link in the description, but it's Mr. Mango Head. So if you do a YouTube search for Mr. Mango Head, you'll find my other channel about gaming, things like that. And thank you for watching. You have a good night.